Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks, and I'm glad I didn't delete this file because my mathematical genius threw a good comment out at me, and I would have never thought of it, but when you do it, it really would be cool. If we will rotate this guy a negative 45 degrees, doesn't that look like an earring? Now, we need to go up to Object, because we need to cut it and ungroup it. Then I'm going to let's set our nudge factor on the right amount. We're only 2. Let's set our nudge factor on 2.5. Let's grab it all, go up to boundary tool and nudge it over. Now the boundary made individual cuts, so that's going to fall out. But we can go to effects and contour, and we're going to contour the outside just like 0.01 to the outside with rounded corners. And we kind of need to look at it. Nope, not quite far enough. Let's go 0.02, because we want those lines to jump off of it. Now, go up to Object and break the contour apart. Grab that new contour and move it. Move this over here and look at that. This would cut out these squares. It's going to cut out the entire outline. It's going to cut out the center hoops. And if you didn't want those center ones, cut out, and you just wanted the wood, you could very easily go to Object, break the curve apart, and probably just grab the outside and move it over. You would want this one in there to put the earring through. I think this would all be cool, but this would be stronger. And depending on what kind of the wood you're using, I still got a little mistake right there, but that's easily fixed when I was doing that video earlier. I actually think it would look cool to have it all cut out. And like, again, I'm going to show you in yellow. And I think my mentor, this wasn't so much about math, but he had to bring in 45 degrees. He couldn't have just said, turn it to the left. Anyway, that's pretty cool. That'll make a pretty cool rear ring. I might even have to cut that out myself. I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.